Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we are here today for the group discussion on the topic that how time management is important in our life. I believe that managing time is a strength, and the one who acquires this strength can gain a lot of wisdom and can gain a lot of time for it himself to for his work and for himself also. If you uh, identify where your time is wasting, where is your time wasting, where is your time is wasting, you can just cut the time out and make it more productive, and it enhances your ability to work more. And I think that if you are a person who is just lazy and does not come on time, you will not gain respect in any society or any group. This is what I think. What do you think?
So I agree with Saksham, but my opinion is time is most important in our life because any works proper times using our work is very easy and properly. For example, schools and colleges and job times for perfect. So every people proper time is going for schools, college, and imagine for and everyone not timing for schools and colleges and any one student so every time going for college, so one teacher which times explaining one student, so time is more not consuming and most of time is waste. So my opinion is time is important for our life. So Mayuri, your opinion?
Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Mayuri. I am totally agree with this topic. How to manage your time. Time is a very precious gift for us, and we have utilized the very perfectly in our life because time management is most important skill. What we are do every time for our life, and we have to learn more about the time management because this is a strength. Shaksham is doing very great for, and he's give very nicely his opinion. And time management is its strength about your work routine, about your lifestyle. Obviously it's totally effect on your productivity, its effect on your job, your performance. Time management, it's most of the different thing we are done to more productive in our life. So we just utilize the time to good work, and use more good knowledge, use more adopt a good knowledge. Time management is good for everything, so I can do nicely. So what is your opinion?
In my opinion, if you have to do any activity, just set time. Just set time, and you just have to manage the time before doing anything. I think time management must have things in our day-to-day life plays very crucial role. Whenever, if you anything, anyone hear about Pomodoro technique?
Pomodoro technique.
Pomodoro technique, right? So I just think we all have to do this activity. In this activity, we can increase the productivity and working technology, our effects, anything.
It's a practice, no, where we are working for 15 or 30 minutes, then we are taking a break.
25 minutes, yes, right. First of all, set the activity, then set timer about 25 minutes, then working on that work or session then break it.
Okay.
Take a nap or take something rest.
You can-
Take rest.
Hmm.
Then repeat this process.
Okay.
This is called Pomodoro technique.
So does it enhance productivity?
Yes, I think. In my opinion, it does. I should follow.
I will agree with all of you. Time management is very important in our life. We are build future. Time management build our future. Time management. We should.
Just Roshni is telling time is very important for our day-to-day life, for our timetable using for time. So everyone use time for properly in our life, because we are going to college, we are going to job, we are going to other work. So first of all, our target one work for that time to 1 to 2 hours, that's complete. And after completing this work, so next target you task for everyone. So every work, first of all, target time management, so that times they work as completed. So our task is very easy and proper time the task completed. So I think time is very important, because every people using for time management, but some people are lazy, they not use for time properly. Most of students proper time study schedule for 1 to 3 hours this subject and 2 to 3 hours this subject, for your preparation is very strongly. That's why my opinion, time is very important.
In my opinion, I like to say, in shortcut, time management is a key of success. Right. But we have to manage the time for good things, not for bad
Bad
things
things.
like social media, right? And distraction. We should avoid distraction.
I also think that our time is important, but I think that we should also respect others' time. If you are meeting someone and you are telling them that yeah, I will come at 5 a.m. 5 p.m. and then we go to them at 5:45. It is not right, I think, because they are also just they came at 5 a.m. and they came at 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. and they came at 5 p.m. and they respect our time, and I think that we should also respect their time also. There is a singer named Drake. He is my favorite singer and rapper. In one of his song, he has said that never late, coming late is better. Never late is better. Better late is never.
I think you want to say, come before time,
Huh.
but not come late.
Don't come late. Okay.
And you say time is proper use for our work. So time is how can use for time is just for importance and enjoyment. So our task is 2 to 3 hours playing cricket every games. So and just for half hour study. So our thinking for time is using for our day-to-day life. So that is time is important. So most of advantages is time of importance. Disadvantages is very less. So Saksham,
Do anyone wants to contribute? Does anyone want to say anything?
Complete.
Okay. So the talk was very nice. I think that managing time is a superpower. I think that the one who acquires this power gets benefits a lot, and I think that from now on we should just respect our time. So thank you